Here's the next question, number 30. The circuit shows a three-phase half-wave rectifier. The source is a symmetrical three-phase four-wire system. The line-to-line voltage of the source is 100 volts. The supply frequency is 400 Hz. The ripple frequency at the output is. So here we have three-phase half-wave rectifier given to us, and it's a four-wire system. And the supply frequency is given to us as 400 Hz. Now, you are quite familiar with the fact that for a half-wave rectifier, when it conducts, the output is just half of every cycle, isn't it? So if we have our input here, let's consider one cycle of the input. This is a single phase, okay? So what happens at the output? At the output of the half-wave rectifier, for every cycle we will receive only half of the input. Based on the arrangement of the circuit, it can be either the top half of or the bottom half. So these pulses that we get over here as the output of the waveform, the series of these pulses is at a frequency that is equal to the same frequency of the input. So this is actually known as the ripple frequency. So usually for a single phase, the ripple frequency is the same as the output. Now if the supply frequency is say 400 Hz for a single phase input, then for the output the ripple frequency will also be the same as 400 Hz. But what do we have here? We have a three-phase system. This is a three-phase half-wave rectifier. So for a three-phase, what happens is, let me write that down. For single phase, supply frequency is equal to ripple frequency. But for three-phase, ripple frequency is 3 times the supply frequency. So that tells us that if the supply frequency is 400 Hz, then the ripple frequency would be 3 times 400. So here 3 times 400, which is 1200 Hz. So the answer over here is C, 1200.